This is the bone popper prank. Oh, it makes it sound like your bones are popping. All you gotta do is get one of these bone poppers and hide it. Sit in the classroom. Oh. People are gonna think, holy cow, I need to go to the nurse. Oh, Mrs. Black, my neck hurts. How to prank it up. These are my bone poppers. All you gotta do is squeeze it. Oh, and it makes that bone popping, cracking sound. Prank your classmates and your teachers with my bone poppers back to school. Oh yeah, and when you want to open it, all you gotta do is pull on one side, turn it around, hold it, and pull on the other. And there you go, bone poppers. Prankkits.com. Okay. All right, for this prank, you're gonna get a book or a folder and some of my fake cockroaches. They get one free with every order at prankkits.com. All you gotta do is take the book and stick a couple of these cockroaches inside. Boom, there. Now the book is sitting there. Hey class, it's time to read. When they pick up the book to read, boom, oh, cockroach falls out and the person gets scared out of their shoes. They don't know what's going on. Put it inside your classmate's book, put it inside your teacher's book, and when they open the book, boom, bug falls out. Boom, bug falls out. All right, for this prank, all you need is a stack of $10,000. Everybody's got 10,000 bucks. Take it to school and walk down the hallway. And then just drop it. And someone's gonna find $10,000 and think they can buy 4 rolls of toilet paper. Hey Alex, what would you buy with $10,000?
I would buy 100 hamburgers.
For this prank, you're gonna get a fake spider on a fishing lines prank. This is a classic prank. What we're gonna do is take that fishing line, it's gonna be our cobweb. You're gonna go ahead and cut the fishing line, and that's gonna be our spider web. Now this thing is ready to swing. Tape the fishing line to the door, so when the door opens,
Oh, crap! What the heck was that?
the spider jumps out, falls, and hangs like a spider would right in their face. Wow, look at this spider. That is creepy. What would you do if this flew in your face? Let me know in the comments below. This is my spider scare box. Get it at prankkits.com. This is a classic. All you gotta do is put bathroom pass on the box. Put it in your classroom. This is where you go get your bathroom hall pass. And when someone goes to open this door, boom, spider comes out. Now this one is a great spider prank because look how nice. The spider jumps and bites your fingers. This is wonderful. Don't get fooled by the cheap ones on Amazon.com. The boxes are way smaller and the spider's way bigger and it doesn't come out as nicely. It gets caught and it sucks. You will not get your money's worth. You want the best one? Prankkits.com, and you can also put a gift card inside and use it as a gift box. For this prank, go to the bathroom with a big fake turd and put it on the urinal, because you don't poop there. That's gross. But everyone's gonna see it, and they're gonna go, oh my God, who, what? And if somebody's brave enough to touch it, they'll say, hey, I'm Mr. Poop. For this prank, get yourself a nice thin marker so you can draw easily, and you're gonna come in here and you're gonna draw very carefully a figure 8, because we're gonna color it in, and we're gonna try our best to draw a little fake spider here in the bathroom. And remember, spiders have 8 legs, so try your best. I'm not the best artist, but I don't think people are gonna really pay much attention when they're in the bathroom. But look at that. If I was in your bathroom and I saw that for a split second, especially if you're like in a young school bathroom, but look, then tuck it right up into. Ooh, so when someone goes to pull it out, boom!
Ooh, who poops on the urinal? I gotta clean it up with some toilet paper. Ah! Jesus! Spider!
Give this video a thumbs up if you like money. But would you grab money from a urinal? What would you do if you saw a $100 bill just stuck to the urinal? Would you risk it? Would you go get some paper towels to get it? What would you do? And then when you finally get this money and you look at it and realize it's motion picture use only.
Oh my God.
Oh man, that's scary. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, give him some fangs. Oh my gosh. Now imagine going to pick up this apple. You're just gonna roll it over here. Don't pay attention to that other attempt we tried to draw. But like you got an apple there and then go to pick it up. Boom! Spider. Go get that apple, dude. It's really delicious.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh,
All right, it's time to get back to school. You're gonna bring some snacks for the class. You got this for your teacher maybe or whatever. And if you don't like this container that you can get at prankkits.com, just empty out a Pringles can and put this inside. Whoa! And so when you want to put the snake inside, all you gotta do is just grab the spring coils, just a few at a time, and just stick it in like this. This way it's gonna shoot out real fast. Okay? When someone goes to get it, some yummy chips.
snake!
You can get any of these prank toys at my website, prankkits.com. Get your scary spider or my famous, most popular bone poppers. Prank your friends and family with my super awesome spider scare box. It's the original spider scare box, not the knockoff that you see on other sites. Prankkits.com. Prank your friends and families, teachers, and classmates. Thank you for watching this video and give it a big thumbs up for the cameraman Alex, my son A. Thanks for helping me film. Leave a comment down below which prank was your favorite. For more prank ideas, you know where to go. Live inspired, shock the world, and I'll see you next time.